Good day everyone, welcome to Sir Jom's YouTube channel. So for today's video, we will be discussing about inductive and deductive reasoning. So first, we define what is inductive reasoning. So when we say inductive reasoning, refers to the reasoning that takes specific information and makes a broader generalization that is considered probable, allowing for the fact that the conclusion may not be accurate. Then, inductive reasoning uses specific examples to arrive at a general rule, generalization, or conclusion. And then, inductive reasoning is a bottom-up approach. So, inductive reasoning is from specific to general. For example, 25 is divisible by 5. 30 is divisible by 5. So what is our conclusion? So therefore, the numbers ending in 0 or 5 are divisible by 5. So papansin nyo dyan, yung 25 ay divisible 5 tsaka yung 30. Alam naman natin yung 25 at 30 ay ending in 0 or 5. 0 and 5. So that's why all numbers ending in 0 or 5 are divisible by 5. Okay, another example. Kirsten, Jalen, and Bill are all teen. So sila daw ay teen. They are dancers. So nakita natin specific. Sino lang ba yung teen? Si Kirsten, Jalen, and Bill. Then sila ay dancer. So we conclude that all dancers are teen. Okay? Mula kala Kirsten, Jalen, and Bill na sila ay teen, then they are dancer. So from specific to general, so in general, lahat daw ng dancer ay teen. Okay, next. Parrots, eagles, and doves are birds. They can all fly. Okay, therefore, all birds can fly. So, from specific to general. Okay, lastly, Mr. Paulo, Mr. Lee, and Mr. Kevin are teachers. They are all nice. Therefore, all teachers are nice. So, that's a inductive reasoning. Now, ano naman ang deductive reasoning? So, deductive reasoning, it is based on premises, and if the premises are true, then the reasoning will be valid. It is a type of reasoning which goes from general to specific, then the approach is top-down. So, kanina, kung yung inductive reasoning ay specific to general, yung deductive naman from general to specific. For example, all birds can fly. Parrots is bird. Okay, so general. So, paano natin yan specific? So, therefore, parrots can fly. Okay, another example. All prime numbers are odd. Lahat daw ng prime numbers are odd. 3 is a prime number. Therefore, 3 is an odd number. So, that's true statement. That's valid. Alam naman natin yung 3 is an odd number. Then also, 3 is a prime numbers. Another example. All teachers are nice. Mr. Lee is a teacher. Therefore, Mr. Lee is nice. So, from general na lahat daw ng teachers ay nice, and si Mr. Lee ay teacher, so, specific na lang, sino ay nice? Si Mr. Lee. Ayan, another example. All dancers are teen. Chelsea is a dancer. So, lahat daw ng dancer ay teen. Si Chelsea ay dancer. So, therefore, Chelsea is teen. Okay, so yun lang yung sa deductive reasoning. Now, Draw a conclusion from each given situation and identify the kind of reasoning used. So ngayon, sasabihin natin kung ano yung conclusion niya. Then after that, sasabihin natin kung anong kind of reasoning. Kung inductive reasoning ba or deductive reasoning. Number 1. Since all humans are mortal and I am a human, then I am a mortal. Okay? So, since lahat daw ng humans ay mortal and ako ay human, so conclusion natin doon, I am a mortal. Now, anong kind of reasoning dyan? So, from general to specific. So, that's we call deductive reasoning. Next, all dolphins are mammals. All mammals have kidneys, therefore, all dolphins have kidneys. So, from general to specific. Okay, so that is deductive reasoning. Another example, Gilbert just moved here from Chicago. Gilbert has red hair. Therefore, people from Chicago have red hair. So, specific to general. So, that is inductive reasoning. Okay, number 4. All brown dogs in the park are small dogs. Therefore, all small dogs are brown. So, that is deductive reasoning. Number 5. Ray is a football player. Ray weighs more than 170 pounds. So, what is our conclusion? All football players weigh more than 170 pounds. So, from specific to general, so that is inductive reasoning. Number 6. All numbers ending in 0 or 5 are divisible by 5. The number 35 ends with a 5. So, it is divisible by 5. So, that's our conclusion. So, what kind of reasoning is that? So, that is deductive reasoning kasi from general to specific. Okay, number 7. 2/3 of the students at this college receive student aid. So, what is our conclusion? Therefore, 2/3 of all college students receive student aid. So, from specific to general. So, that is inductive reasoning. Number 8. All noble gases are stable and helium is a noble gas. So, our conclusion is helium is stable. So, from general to specific. So, that is deductive reasoning. And lastly, number 9. All students eat pizza. AJ is a student at AGCS. Therefore, AJ eats pizza. So, that's our conclusion. So, from general to specific, so that's we call deductive reasoning. So, always remember lang, kapag sinabing inductive reasoning, from specific to generalization, general rule, pag naman deductive reasoning from general to specific. So, yan lang po yung about sa kind of reasoning. So, that's it. Thanks for watching and viewing. Bye!